Hello everyone. Welcome to know about Resurge supplement. Before you watch the video, make sure you subscribed my channel to know the new product reviews and update. Please watch this video till the end to grab the surprise in it. Nowadays, lot of individuals are troubled to lose belly fat and have increased the chance of health issues. Are you one of them and have tried everything to burn off the additional pounds? In such situation, Barban life-saving supplement that may help you to succeed in the proper health and fitness goal. Resurge may be a unique revolutionary supplement that can flush out your belly fat. What is Resurge supplement? Resurge is simple to take the supplement that activates the fat burning and muscle building potential long. It triggers your overall health as well as fat loss perspective overnight. With this Resurge pills, you will witness significant body adjustments where you could always wake up every early morning with a sense of renewal. Resurge has unique natural ingredients on exactly how you could quickly transform your way of living by leveraging the power of excellent sleep. It offers your body the most potent pressure as well as helps it open its maximum potential. A lot of these improvements occur at a molecular level when you are deep asleep. The supplement helps you to lose fat and get muscular tissue while making sure that the body has actually been nourished in the best means possible. It is secure for both men and women. Finally, your body gets slim, trim with lean muscle mass that loaded with total energy as a stronger result. We have a separate video for working of Resurge supplement, visit the video link mentioned in the description. After the long research, we 100% recommend this supplement to you. Click the below discount link mentioned in the description and take the action now. Don't miss this opportunity. Thanks for watching. All the very best.